Welcome to Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, Video and Audio. In today's episode, I'm going to do an unboxing and show you a little tripod that I bought. I looked at various tripods and I have various tripods already. I have a Benro right there. I have some vintage German tripods, small tripods, big tripods. I have Benro, I have Manfrotto. Various tripods, a lot of tripods. But I wanted to get another one, so why not? I wanted something I could put on a tabletop, film myself while I'm at conferences or giving a lecture. I can videotape myself, put a camera on there and call it good. So I got this little tripod. It's the small rig 3033 aluminum tabletop mini tripod. Again, a lot of these tripods go for $10, $20, $30, $45, hundreds of dollars also. This is pretty, as small tripods go, this is rather expensive. I think it was around $45. I'll leave links in the description in case you want to buy a couple dozen of them. So let me open it up. I haven't opened it up quite yet. Let me open it up, get my little knife, and call it good. So there you are. We have the little tripod. Let me just show you the box again so you have a nice little look at it. So this is what the box looks like. Came in the old, from the folks at Amazon just a little while ago. And it's wrapped up in this very nice plastic. I like it. Pretty straightforward. Again, this is a rather inexpensive tripod, but I like it because, let me just show you, it's a small rig. And it has a Arca Swiss plate right here. Again, Arca Swiss plate on the top. Let me put it towards the light so you can see it. And there you are. I'm always looking at this monitor here. I apologize. This Arca Swiss plate. And you can adjust the ball, of course, just like that. I have about half a dozen ball heads. And of course, it'll do panoramas. And you can adjust it. Let me just... you can just move it different directions. You can unscrew it too. Hey, you can unscrew it. Let me unscrew it. There's the head. Nice quality, simple design. I mean, again, I'm looking at the monitor, not the camera. I apologize again. And it has the, Arca Swiss plate that you could disconnect right here. And of course, I have a lot of Arca Swiss plates. Must have about 20 of them. And this is the top of the head. And this is the legs. Splays out like this. And you can adjust. Again, that's a wide, super low splayed out. And it has a little adjustment knob here that you can do things with. And you can tighten it and move it one notch. And then now it goes a little higher. Wow. These people are geniuses, whomever made this. They're absolute gems. So let me put the head back on, the ball head, as they call it, and just screw on. Again, it's all metal construction, which is a positive thing for me. And I just wanted a new little ball head, small ball head tripod. I'm just going to tighten it up here so it doesn't get too much. And again, if you want to make it lower, you just move it one notch, and then it becomes super low, splayed out. And again, if you wanted to get taller, you just move it from that spot over there, just one little spot, and it gets tighter. So if I'm at a conference, I can put the tripod down, point the camera at yours truly or at the audience, and it should be no issue. Just put the Arca Swiss plate just right on the camera. So thanks for watching my video. This has been Jesús Manuel Mena Garza. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. Muchas gracias a todos a ustedes. And don't forget to leave your kind and friendly comments in the old description. Again, leave your kind and friendly comments below. Tutto bene. Molto bene. Agradecido. Muchas gracias a todos a ustedes. And of course, don't forget to ring the bell for future notifications. and you can check out the various videos that come out from this channel. Again, I'm not a big-time influencer. I'm just a small-time influencer. I do have a lot of photography experience. If you have any questions about photography, especially analog photography and exhibiting photography, even though I can't say it very well, exhibiting your photographs, just contact me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Again, on analog photography, on exhibiting your photographs, processing, using chemistry, etc., etc., etc. Just saying. Old school. Super, 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 super old school. Yours truly. Thanks for watching my video. Again, gracias. Adios. And in the description, I'll have links to some of my other videos and also links to memberships. And of course, you can become a Patreon subscriber at patreon.com/JMM Garza. This is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza doing my outro again. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.